here, and we don't expect any event in this place, because this would mean that we do not understanding is low, and we are attributing it to changing climate, which cannot be the case. So we do not expect anything here. So roughly this is what this picture suggests. And all these different kind of extreme events what we see in the changing climate, the inability to see these different events together actually gives rise to climate myths. So here's a different climate myths which people, or what we call climate skeptics, people who do not support the fact that climate is changing, they come up with these things which are actually fake or myths, like climate has changed before, or it's warming just because of the sun, it's not very bad, and there is no consensus, meaning that the different climate models, there are some difference. So they exploit that limitation of the climate models to say that there is no consensus. And some people would see the cooling in Texas and they say the climate is not warming. Recently had a cold wave in Texas, and temperature records are unreliable, and they say animals and plants can adapt. And there has been a recent observation that temperature has slightly dipped, and they exploit that fact to say that it has not warmed since 1998, so, and blah blah. And so yeah, so all sorts of climate myths appear because people are unable to see different extreme events together, and they pick one event and comment without knowing the actual facts. So what actually we mean when we say that climate has not changed like this before? So for that, I would like to, okay, this is the only graph. I have tried to keep my presentation simple and casual, keeping in mind the diverse audience we are having today. So let me tell you what this graph actually shows. So there's a group of scientists, the huge list here. So they actually reconstructed the temperature data for Earth's surface.